Hi guys, today I'm going to be experimenting a Lotus effect. So today I went back to the pond, me and my mom went back to the pond and we got a Lotus because one of my friends says the water rolls off the Lotus and it doesn't get wet. It just rolls off and Lotus effect means it's like cleaning all the dirt off. I'm going to be experimenting that. So now I just got some water, and then you see it's like a little bowl, and it's like a bowl of soup. So it just rolls off. It does not stay. It does not stick. See? See? It's still in a bowl of soup. And that is because of superhydrophobic property. So this is all for today. Bye guys.